Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love summer, especially when it comes to the wide selection of fruits. Among them, there's berries. I like to munch on or bake with them, like when I make my mixed berry crisp. This scrumptious dessert is easy to make. With a combination of strawberries and blueberries, this is another summery recipe to enjoy. I like serving it with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream. So let's get baking. In a large bowl, we'll combine strawberries as well as blueberries, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and also lemon zest. We'll mix the ingredients well before adding granulated sugar and cornstarch, plus pure vanilla extract. We'll stir again until the berries are well coated and transfer the mixture to a large pie plate, lightly greased with cooking spray. We'll level it out, and if there's some yumminess left in the bowl, of course, we'll scrape it off and add it to the mixture. Then we'll set aside for now. Next, we'll make the topping. In another bowl, we'll add rolled oats, all-purpose flour, some brown sugar, followed by ground cinnamon, and a little bit of ground sea salt. We'll stir so the dry ingredients are nicely blended before pouring over the melted butter. I'm using unsalted. We'll mix until the ingredients are coated with it and are no longer dry. We'll now spoon the oat mixture on top of the berries, making sure to cover the entire surface. We don't want any fruit to be exposed. And then transfer the pie plate to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool off for about 15 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our mixed berry crisp. Simple and yet so delicious, this sweet treat is the perfect summer dessert. Take advantage of the season to enjoy these tasty fruits. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!